Quant just tested a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, Quant has finally tested that 154 level. So for those of you that doubt it, but anyways, as you guys can see, we do have a very nice bullish momentum candle. Ideally, what you want to see is a break above this exponential moving average, find it as support, and then that continuation higher. You guys know from all the way up here around the 187, I did mention that this 154 level will be tested, and you can see we had a beautiful move set. A lot of traders got a little too greedy here, started entering these positions, and I mentioned it's going to be very important for Quant to actually test that level. Now we have our first test, but you guys already know we will be waiting for our 3 test confirmation and then that continuation. Ideally, what we could see is you can see that even on Quant, we tried to break above those exponential moving averages, failed, and that continuation to the downside. If we get a very clean break above and then that consolidate right around this range, we will possibly see 2 or 3 wicks and then that continuation, or we will see a failure pattern, try to break above those resistance levels and then that continuation to possibly the 144. The 144 level will be the next level because obviously this is pretty much where the move set started. You can see we had this beautiful wick and then the continuation higher, so we can expect the same sort of double bottom formation possibly on Quant if we do break that 154. Now over here on the lower time frames, you can kind of see exactly how this played out. We were testing this level around the 161 for quite a while, and I mentioned that this is acting as somewhat of a support. You can see once we got that failure pattern and that confirmation of the liquidity grab, we pretty much ended right there, retested, and then that continuation. On the lower time frames, we had a beautiful 3 test confirmation and then that continuation right now. But I don't like trading on the lower time frames. Ideally, I would like to see that same sort of formation on the 4-hour time frame because the 4-hour obviously gives you a lot better confidence when entering a position. Now for this level, of course, if we do see a continuation pattern, we need to get above the 175 from the bullish case scenario and then that continuation, which would become very bullish for Quant. But if the bulls can't fail to break above that level and we consolidate around this 161, ideally the 144 would be that overall support level. We can possibly be looking for that massive move to the upside. Now worst case scenario from a bearish perspective only, if we continue ranging like this, continuing pushing lower and resisting this levels and pushing down, the next support level, of course, would be around that 112. The reason the 112, of course, is because of the fact that that acted as a very strong resistance level for Quant for many months. So we can expect the same for when we bounce on that support level. That will be a great area to actually go long as well. Right now, though, guys, we have to be very, very careful for entering those long positions. So just keep an eye on the 4-hour. Once we get that confirmation, of course, by the time tomorrow comes, if you see that 3 test confirmation and then that move above those exponential moving averages, we can start looking for those long positions. But right now, this might act as a consolidation for a bit. And plus, we also had some news events today, so there did cause some volatility. So we have to be very, very careful. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And I hope you guys have a